Brian Cox, a renowned physicist and engaging science broadcaster, has recently brought attention to an astonishing astronomical event, the potential supernova explosion of Betelgeuse. This red supergiant star, which is one of the brightest in the night sky and a well-known part of the Orion constellation, is nearing the end of its life. Cox's warning about the star's imminent transformation into a supernova has captured the imagination and curiosity of both the scientific community and the public. Over recent years, Betelgeuse has been behaving rather unusually, exhibiting significant changes in brightness that have puzzled astronomers. To this phenomenon, often a precursor to a supernova, occurs when a star is running out of fuel and starts to collapse under its own gravity. The process leads to a massive explosion that outshines entire galaxies and releases vast amounts of energy. The Cox points to the latest observations that indicate an increase in such activity, suggesting that Betelgeuse could explode sooner rather than later, potentially even within our lifetime. The explosion of Betelgeuse as a supernova is not just a spectacular cosmic event, it's a treasure trove of scientific opportunity. But supernovae are critical to our understanding of the universe, as they are responsible for creating many of the elements on the periodic table, including those that make up planets and ultimately life itself. The data collected from such an explosion could provide unprecedented insights into the life cycle of stars, the distribution of elements in our galaxy, and the dynamics of stellar explosions. To one of the most exciting aspects of Betelgeuse going supernova is that it will be visible from Earth, potentially even in daylight. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing a new bright light, almost as if a second sun has appeared. Despite the dramatic spectacle, astronomers are sure there is no threat to Earth or Earth. The star is far enough away that the explosion will not affect our planet physically, but it will certainly provide a celestial show and a rare observational opportunity. For those who get to witness this once in a lifetime, event preparations are already underway in the astronomical community. Observatories around the world are closely monitoring Betelgeuse, and plans are being made to capture every moment of this stellar transformation. Amateur astronomers and stargazers are also advised to stay tuned for updates and to ready their telescopes to observe one of the most significant astronomical events of the century. Brian Cox's warning about Betelgeuse serves as a reminder of the dynamic and changing nature of the universe. Such events not only provide scientific data, but also offer a moment of unity and wonder for humanity. The potential supernova of Betelgeuse invites us to look up at the stars with a renewed sense of curiosity and all pondering our place in the vast cosmos. As we await this grand spectacle, we are reminded of the ongoing dance of creation and destruction that shapes our universe. The imminent supernova of Betelgeuse has captured the attention of both the scientific community and the public, largely due to recent, peculiar observations of the star's behavior. Here's a breakdown of the science behind the prediction of Betelgeuse is explosive and as a supernova which illuminates not only the fate of this celestial giant, but also the dynamic processes governing stellar life cycles. Betelgeuse, a red supergiant in the constellation Orion, has long been known to astronomers as a star nearing the end of its life. These stars are characterized by their massive size and short lifespan relative to other stars. But in the late stages of a supergiant's life, it begins to exhaust the nuclear fuel at its core, leading to a decrease in the outward pressure that helps the star maintain its structure against the inward pull of gravity. One of the most significant signs that Betelgeuse might soon go supernova came from its unexpected dimming episodes. Recently, astronomers observed that Betelgeuse's brightness decreased by about 35%, a phenomenon that sparked wide interest and speculation. Initial theories suggested that the dimming could be due to giant dust clouds emitted by the star, blocking its light. But however, further observations indicated changes in the star's surface temperature and size, suggesting that something more complex was occurring. The current scientific consensus attributes these fluctuations to enormous surface mass ejections, but unlike our Sun, which loses a steady solar wind, Betelgeuse is expelling huge amounts of its mass, syndromatic less predictable bursts. These mass ejections result in the formation of dust as the expelled material cools, partially obscuring the star and reducing its brightness. This behavior is considered a precursor to the supernova phase, as it indicates instability and a significant change in the star's internal processes. Advanced telescopes and space observatories have played a pivotal role in monitoring these changes. Instruments such as the Hubble Space Telescope and the Very Large Telescope, the LT, have provided astronomers with detailed images and spectra of Betelgeuse, allowing them to observe the star's surface and immediate environment more closely than ever before. These tools have revealed that the star's atmosphere is highly complex and dynamic, supporting the prediction that Betelgeuse is on the brink of a catastrophic supernova event. The final stages of a supernova involve the star's core collapsing under its own gravity, leading to an explosion that outshines entire galaxies and produces fundamental elements that contribute to the universe's chemical richness. If and when Betelgeuse does explode, it will offer a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to witness and study up close the death of a star, a cosmic spectacle with the power to enrich our understanding of the universe's life cycle. In summary, the prediction of Betelgeuse's supernova is supported by cutting-edge observations and research revealing the inherently unpredictable and fascinating nature of stellar evolution. While the exact timing remains uncertain, the ongoing changes in Betelgeuse's behavior provide a valuable preview of the dramatic events that accompany the death of a star. When Betelgeuse, one of the sky's most luminous stars, eventually explodes into a supernova, the spectacle could be unlike anything humanity has witnessed in over 400 years. The last supernova visible to the naked eye in our galaxy occurred in 1604, and Betelgeuse's demise promises to be an astronomical event of a lifetime. Here's what we might expect and why it's causing a buzz, not just among astronomers, but also within the wider public. 2. A night sky like never before. If Betelgeuse goes supernova, it will light up a night sky with breathtaking brilliance. The estimates suggest that it could shine as brightly as the full moon, turning night into twilight for several weeks or even months. This transformation of the night sky could have a range of effects, from influencing animal behavior to affecting astronomical observations due to the increased sky brightness. 2. Imagine a night where shadows are cast not by the moon but by a distant exploding star. Scientific bonanza, the explosion of Betelgeuse, would provide astronomers with a rare opportunity to study the death throes of a massive star in real time. The current models of stellar evolution suggest that red supergiants like Betelgeuse and their lives in spectacular fashion, but each supernova observed so far is unique, offering new insights. Observations from modern instruments across the world and in space, such as the James Webb Space Telescope, could capture unprecedented details of the supernova process. These observations could help refine our understanding of the life cycle of stars, the creation of heavier elements which are blasted into space and recycled into new stars and planets. Part 3 to effects on Earth. Debunking myths. Despite the dramatic nature of a supernova, Betelgeuse's explosion poses no direct threat to Earth. The star is located roughly 600 light-years away, far enough that the most harmful effects of a supernova, such as gamma-ray bursts, will not impact our planet. However, this event provides a perfect laboratory for studying how such explosions have affected Earth in the past and refining models of how they might influence planets in other star systems. 3.4. 3 inspiring future generations. The supernova could have a significant cultural impact, potentially inspiring a new generation of astronomers and scientists. Just as Halley's Comet or solar eclipses have historically grabbed public attention, that transformation of Betelgeuse into a supernova could lead to renewed interest in STEM science, technology, engineering, and mathematics fields. Schools around the world might host star parties, and planetariums could see increased visits, tapping into the excitement to educate about astronomy and science. Part 5. Preserving the event for posterity. Given the potential historical significance of Betelgeuse's supernova, efforts would likely be made to document and observe the event comprehensively. This could range from continuous monitoring by professional observators to global citizen science projects, where amateur astronomers and the public contribute observations and data. Such collective efforts would not only enhance scientific understanding but also create a sense of global community around the shared celestial spectacle. The potential supernova of Betelgeuse will be an event of both great beauty and profound scientific importance. While it serves as a stark reminder of the cosmic forces at play in our universe, it also highlights the enduring human quest for knowledge and our ever-present urge to look up at the stars in wonder. While there's no danger to Earth, Betelgeuse is far enough that the explosion poses no threat. It does offer a humbling perspective on our place in the universe, and on Earth it serves as a potent reminder of the universe's immense scale and the transient nature of even the stars. In conclusion, Brian Cox's warning prepares us for a potentially once-in-a-lifetime celestial event that could not only enlighten us with spectacular views but deepen our appreciation of the cosmos. This impending supernova invites us all to look up and witness the grandeur of the universe, reminding us of the ever-present connection between the cosmos and life on Earth.